Here we have the PDP Media Remote. It is a licensed product for the Xbox consoles. On the left side of the box, we have a photo of the controller. On the right side, we have wording saying Media Remote. And also, this remote works for the Xbox One and Xbox Series X and S. On the back, we have some of the functions that this controller offers, like easy controlled for your media apps, motion activated backlit buttons, simply control your volume, power, and more. And the same information in French, Spanish, Italian, and German. Underneath that, we have an example of what the backlit buttons look like. And this controller takes two AAA batteries, which are not included. The packaging is simple but nice and convenient. We also have a user manual that shows you the functions of the buttons and how to insert the batteries. To insert the batteries, pull down on the back of the remote to access the battery slot and insert the batteries. And reverse the steps to close up the battery gate. Now whenever you press any button down, all the buttons will automatically be backlit for about 2 seconds. On the top, we have the power/home button, the view button, the menu button. Underneath that, we have the navigation circle and the select button in the center. Underneath that, we have the rewind button, the play and pause button, and the skip button. And now at the very bottom of the remote, we have the X, Y, A, B buttons, the volume control, the channel control, back button, and mute button. The backlit feature is something that I'm quite a big fan of. It's very helpful in dark scenarios, and just by picking it up, it'll come on. But it's only for about 2 seconds, which I understand, that way it conserves the battery life. Now if you're wondering how close or how far you can be with this remote, at 30 feet the remote actually loses signal, so that's a pretty long range. And another thing, you don't really need to point the remote directly at the Xbox. You actually have about a 100-degree angle that you can point at, and the remote still sends signal to the Xbox. But now, if there's something completely blocking off your Xbox, it will not be working properly, since the remote needs to send direct signal to the Xbox. Unlike the controller, this actually sends out direct signal to the Xbox, so if there's something blocking it, it won't not work. Also guys, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So that was it for this video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already. It's free and it doesn't hurt. So till next one guys, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Spots controller for when you're watching movies. It's a very good thing to have. And plus she did a Game Pass with the controller. If you have Game Pass, you can always give it to someone else so they can try for a month. Because when you buy this remote, you get a 1 month thing for Game Pass to try out for free. So when you buy this remote, if you already have Game Pass, you can let someone else try it. Give the Game Pass to someone else. But a very good remote.